Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Judge, for coming here and speaking on this. You probably know I wrote the best interest of the child, the code, many years ago, and I still fully support the best interest of the child. But there is a dilemma here happening, and it's been happening for all these years. There are, across the state, certain judges who have a bias. They may prefer women and think only a mother can take care of the child, and they may be a man think only the man can take care of the child, whoever the biggest breadwinner is. They have certain biases, and there are a few courts across the state that have that bias. What do we do to help the families who care, both parents care about the child? And when there can be irreparable damage in some of these situations because of this, it may take years to be able to get the father or the mother back on with the parenting. And the child may not understand what happened for over a year or 2 years, why all of this is being processed. Do you have any thoughts or solution of what can be done when this happens?
To the chair and to Representative Grandel, the bias that you speak of exists. We would not deny that. And the bias can go in all directions. That's the nature of the beast when you create an entity called a courtroom and it is run by individuals. Now, how do we overcome bias? How do we improve upon that situation? Through training and education, not by mandating the opposite. Then we would not create anything better than the opposite, and we'd be pulling back this direction. So training, absolutely. We also need to keep in mind these individuals are elected in their counties. The voting population has say. Now, they may not be that sophisticated. I'm not naive. I know voters don't always understand who's running for judge or what their credentials are, but that's one other place that responsibility lies. So I don't deny what you're saying. I agree it needs to be changed, but the change is not to rewrite the law.